Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with MassMutual Review My Usage Experience. MassMutual Review My Usage Experience isn't a specific product, but rather refers to the process of reviewing MassMutual as a financial services provider. MassMutual offers a range of financial products and services, including life insurance, disability income insurance, long-term care insurance, annuities, and retirement planning services. Their target audience is individuals and families seeking financial security and planning for their future. Key offerings appear to include whole life insurance, term life insurance, and various investment options. Their website, massmutual.com, provides details about their various products and services. They emphasize financial strength, personalized advice, and a long history of helping clients. While specific pricing isn't readily available online, they encourage contacting a financial advisor for personalized quotes. This approach is common in the financial services industry, although it doesn't offer the same level of upfront transparency as some online-only competitors. MassMutual seems to position themselves as a provider of comprehensive financial solutions rather than focusing on individual products. Availability of specific services and advisors likely varies by location, and you can likely find this information on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience researching MassMutual. I recently started looking into long-term financial planning options for myself and my family. I explored MassMutual's website and found it fairly easy to navigate, although the sheer volume of information can feel a little overwhelming at first. I appreciated the resources they offer, such as calculators and articles explaining different insurance and investment concepts. I dug deeper into their term life insurance options and used their online tool to get a preliminary quote. While the tool was helpful, it didn't provide a firm price without contacting an agent. I then scheduled a consultation with a local MassMutual advisor. The scheduling process was straightforward through their website. During the consultation, the advisor was very knowledgeable and took the time to understand my specific needs and financial goals. He explained different insurance options and investment strategies in detail, which was very helpful. I was impressed by his professionalism and patience in answering all my questions, even the basic ones. One minor drawback was the lack of readily accessible pricing information online, requiring advisor interaction for specific quotes. It took me a little while to gather all the necessary financial documents for the advisor, but that's pretty standard with these kinds of services. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the initial experience and the information I received during my consultation with MassMutual. I'm continuing to explore my options, but they are definitely a contender. That's my overview of my experience researching MassMutual. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.